Hello guys, once again welcome to Green Light Coding. This video is mainly based on the front-end development tutorial for beginners or newcomers in this field. The main motive of this video is to update the output screen as a web page in the browser without reloading or refreshing the page again and again like in React. All of the newcoming developers who wants to learn front-end faces a problem when then have clicking reload button many times for getting the output. That becomes very boring and time consuming for learning, so to get the output without reloading again and again. Here I am creating a batch script to open the HTML file with localhost, via HTTP server installed using npm. So our file is hosted at port 2300. We have to fix a JavaScript as shown here. Now save the file and start edit the file. You can see that the file will refresh continuously. And the output will load automatically without setting manually. Watch the full video in details and apply the script to get rid of your problem. Well, now edit the file a little with CSS to recheck whether everything is working correctly or not. Okay, so this is working. Now another thing I must say that you can also load the web page at a certain interval. To get this we have to change the script a little. Now 4000 is equivalent to 4 seconds, so the script will be executed at an interval of every 4 seconds. You can custom it by changing the value of the time as per your requirement as shown here. The web page will be updated after every 2 seconds from now. Like this video and tell me in comment section whether it's helpful or not. Thanks for watching.